The PRC 700 menu icon is located in the upper right corner of the control screen. To open the menu, double-tap on the menu icon. The menu is laid out similar to a phone menu, where the main settings are displayed at the front end, and clicking on each section will open sub-settings. Under Settings you will find Control Management, User Management, License Management, Language, System of Units, Date and Time, Audio and Remote HMI. Control Management displays the control which is being used and its connectivity. This tab is rarely used. User Management is where you control access level to the press and control. Administrator is the highest level of access. It gives you full access to the control and all of the control functions. Setter gives mid-level access to the control. A setter can make changes, but loses higher admin capabilities. User is the lowest level of access. A user can only operate the press and load different data sets. You will receive the control with no passwords installed, but general passwords can be developed by you, and you can even assign passwords for individual users. License management shows the current program license being used. So this will be used in the event of troubleshooting. Language is where you can change the displayed language on the PRC 700. The language options are English, German, and French. System of Units allows you to change the graphics between metric and imperial. Date and Time allows the date and time of the PRC 700 to be changed. Audio gives you the ability to control volume and change the audible sounds created by the PRC 700. Remote HMI pertains to an option software. This software allows you to remotely project the display of the PRC 700 onto computer monitors or larger screens. This also allows you to run the control from a remote access point if needed. Under the User tab, you have the ability to log in or log off the control. You can also log in and log off different settings such as user type. Also, under the User tab, you can change or create various passwords. The Information tab will only be used when communicating directly with SCHMIDT technology. The Setup tab is primarily used in PowerPress applications. Essentially, portions of the input screen and curve screen are utilized under the Setup tab. This makes press setup more streamlined for setup personnel by being able to manipulate various features of the press. The Maintenance tab allows the control to be stopped and restarted if the control or press are not operating correctly. Additionally, the same can be done to the user interface. Under the Maintenance tab, archiving allows every aspect of the project to be archived onto a USB drive by simply pressing a button. This ensures your control can be fully restored in the event of any damage to the PRC 700. The Eject USB tab is used to safely remove any USB storage device from the USB ports on the PRC 700.